Today I will share with you how you can achieve the folds and curls on the petals of a flower using artist markers. Hi there everyone, welcome to Creative Coloring with Erum. I'm Erum Tasneem and today I'm sharing a fairly clean and simple card with you, featuring this huge flower from the sparkled stamp set that I've colored using markers from the Shades of Purple set. I already went ahead and stamped the images onto Crest Solar White cardstock using permanent black ink, which is alcohol marker friendly ink. Now I'll start by adding color from the R702, which is Lavender Fields. I usually do this with the darkest shade in this collection, but today I want my flower a little lighter in color. I will add this pigment next to the flower center and on the notches on the edge of the petal tips. Then I'll take soft lilac C002 and blend out the darker pigment by pulling it out. I will leave the white spaces as is to show highlights since we don't have any more lighter shades to use. The two that I used are the lightest in the color family. To add a bit of magenta here to my petals, I'll pick up color using the tip-to-tip method from the R705, that is Midnight Violet with soft lilac. For all the petals, I'll start the same way by adding Lavender Fields and blending it out with soft lilac, then using the tip-to-tip method to add a hint of Midnight Violet. Just notice how well I blend the Lavender Field strokes with the soft lilac marker. But the real magic happens when I add those strokes of Midnight Violet. They are subtle, but they make a huge impact. I'll go back in on the first petal to add more details to it of Midnight Violet through the tip-to-tip method. The petals looked good the first time around, but now the shadows are more pronounced, hence the folds become more evident and the petals start looking more satin-like. Once I'm done, I'll add dots of deep iris and cosmic berry closer to the flower center. I do this a lot on my flowers whenever I use artist markers. This will also make the flower appear a little different than it is. It does come with a beautiful flower center. If you want to use it, please go ahead and do. I will also use a white gel pen dots to enhance the look. For leaves, I'll use the Seashore artist markers and add a pop of green. I want my leaves to look a little bit more happier than my flower does. I will color one more leaf starting from dark to light. For the leaves, I'm using Emerald, Lagoon, Volcano Lake, Mountain Mist, and in the end, Frayed Leaf to add the tropical touch. I have die cut my images and I thought maybe if I add a little bit of rose quartz to the tips of the petals, it will add a little life to the flower. I'm using a plain white card base. I'll stamp my sentiment on here in Obsidian ink. Then I'll add fine black paint splatters using the jet black from the 12 pan set. Then I'll adhere my floral images with foam tape and I'm done. I hope you enjoyed artist marker coloring. I love to use them. Did you know that the Altenew artist markers were my first alcohol markers ever? I was very scared to use them, but they are a dream to color with. Absolutely love them. Thank you for watching everyone. Bye bye.
Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye!